Hey, Ava. Hi, Ava. You got the hiccups, huh? You got the hiccups? Ava, what are you doing in there? What are you doing? Are you looking at the crib? Yeah. You looking at the sky? It's pretty outside. Look at that. That's a good view for a little baby. There you go. You stretching? You stretching out?